Ever wondered why swimming is often praised as one of the best forms of exercise? Well, the benefits of swimming are as vast as the ocean itself, touching every aspect of physical and mental health. Swimming provides a full-body workout, engaging a variety of muscle groups simultaneously. Whether it's the core and upper body with freestyle, the chest and legs with breaststroke, or the shoulders and back with butterfly stroke, each unique movement helps to promote balance and strength across the body. But the benefits of swimming extend beyond muscular strength. The fluid movements and resistance of water serve to enhance flexibility, stretching and extending the limbs to promote joint flexibility and muscle elongation. Swimming also plays a significant role in weight management, with the water's resistance requiring more effort than similar land-based exercises. This increased effort leads to higher calorie expenditure, making swimming an effective tool for weight control. And let's not forget about respiratory fitness. The controlled rhythmic breathing required in swimming improves lung capacity and efficiency, making it beneficial for overall respiratory health and particularly helpful for those with respiratory conditions. Swimming also offers a serene, meditative environment, contributing to stress reduction. The rhythmic movements and controlled breathing help induce a relaxation response, reducing cortisol levels and promoting mental well-being. Improved posture is another benefit of swimming. The horizontal body position and core engagement promote spinal alignment and muscle balance, which can improve posture out of the water. Swimming also enhances circulation, with the hydrostatic pressure of water assisting venous return to the heart, promoting efficient blood flow and better oxygen delivery to tissues. Swimming's low-impact nature makes it ideal for joint rehabilitation, with the water's buoyancy reducing the impact on joints. And last but not least, swimming offers social and recreational benefits. Whether it's swimming laps with friends, participating in water aerobics, or just enjoying time in the pool, swimming contributes to mental well-being and a sense of community. In summary, swimming offers a comprehensive approach to physical and mental well-being. From cardiovascular fitness to muscular strength, flexibility, stress reduction, and improved posture, swimming is a holistic exercise. Whether you're seeking a low-impact exercise for joint health or an effective tool for weight management, swimming is a refreshing option. Dive in and immerse yourself in wellness.